Hello everyone and welcome to the Investing Angles channel. Thanks for tuning in, and today we are diving into Nasdaq, and we will look at Nasdaq from the short-term perspective, and we will have a look at the Elliott Waves and the candles, just trying to decipher what's going on there and whether it has a chance to go higher or it has better chance for reversal. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and support us. All right, so this is Nasdaq short term. What we are seeing here is that Nasdaq possibly formed a very clean impulse down, which it started in December 16th and it ended on December 20th. So what is the most possible what is the most probable path here? So first of all, there is a chance that this was the entire correction, and so this is the bottom of it, and we are seeing a potential impulse. So the first wave was impulsive, then the second wave obviously corrective, and we could expect the impulse right here to continue on. Well, that would be a bullish perspective. This would be a bullish perspective. So let's have a look at what else is going on. However, if we consider this as an impulse down, then we should see a bigger corrective wave probably. And this is one of the perspectives that we are seeing right now, a zigzag. It could be A, B, C here. If we consider this one, then this wave could be an impulse, something like this, Well, and it would end somewhere here, and most likely it will have a little rally just before November 20, and will end at this December 27 and potentially December 30. Well, that's one possibility. Another possibility that we might see a bigger wave for wave B. Consider this, and this how it would look. So this would be wave A, and this would be wave B. In this case, we would see B here and C moving somewhere right here. So this would be a very classical zigzag as well, and the wave B would be longer than wave A time-wise, and then the wave C could be even longer than wave B. All right, so this is the perspective. So what we're seeing right now, Nasdaq is advancing, but in the last hour, it retraced a little bit. So there is a chance for a blue path and for a red path here. So we will know it only after a closure what path is more probable. But anyway, so this is our perspective right now, and we are seeing the corrective, either red or blue, are the most probable at the moment. Well, the only thing we don't know which one will be taken. I think that's slightly better chances for the blue one, but well, we would need to wait until the closure today. And we will discuss this in our daily report in a couple of hours after the market closure. If we look at the candles perspective, so what we are seeing here, well, on Friday, Nasdaq closed with a green candle with an inside up, and right now it's building another green one. If it moves a little higher, well, the rally could start. But right now it's holding above the major support lines, and yeah, we have no other way but to accept this reality, and the chances for moving higher are fairly significant. So the same is happening on the 12-hour frame. So the chances for a green candle are fairly significant. So if we look at the weekly closure, however, it was bearish, and we had a bearish engulfing, clean bearish engulfing, including the lower week, and this is a significant impact on the midterm perspective. However, it doesn't necessarily need to go down immediately. What it could do also, it can consolidate for a couple of weeks technically before resuming the move down. And this is also these two possibilities and what we are looking at right now. All right, so this is about Nasdaq, but let's also have a look at its major components. This is our website, Investing Angles, where you can find all this information about Nasdaq, about S&P 500, Dow Jones, and a few other indices, including volatility and TSX. If you go here in the indexes folder, you just click on S&P 500, for example, and it brings you all information about S&P 500 that we shared recently. And similarly for Nasdaq, if you click on this, it will bring you all Nasdaq recent reports, commodities, gold, silver, natural gas, oil, and so on and so forth. Right now, we are offering a free reader package. You can join us for free and read all information, all articles that we occasionally share to generic public. All right, so before we move, and now we move into the Nasdaq main component. So Microsoft, if we look at the candles so far, it is bearish, and well, it's doesn't look like it's going to recover here. Amazon is still looking good, and after bullish engulfing, pardon, on Friday, it has a chance to move a little higher. NVDA is also doing great at this moment. However, it is facing a strong resistance at the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line, and right now it's still undecided regarding this potential head and shoulders formation. So the neckline is still being battled, and we'll see how it works later on. So Apple right now looks bullish. This little candle would mean nothing until it is confirmed. So far we are seeing it as a bullish confirmation. Google is also doing great. After it looks like it's going to confirm a little reversal here and extend its rally a bit higher. Tesla is on the verge of 8 days moving average, 8 days exponential moving average, EMA, which is the orange line here. We'll see. So far, it doesn't look like it's going to reverse and continue the rally, but we'll be monitoring it closely. And the Meta looks more bullish than bearish. It might form a little bottom here and at least bounce a little higher. Well, that's all about this. And by the way, this is Bitcoin. It has nothing to do with Nasdaq, but just want to bring to your attention, it is breaking through the 50 days moving average. And if you had a chance to watch our video that we shot yesterday, you can get an idea of where it is going right now. All right, so that's been a quick update on Nasdaq about its short-term most probable path, the candles perspective. But again, I'd like to emphasize it will very much depend on the closure today and the direction for the next couple of days. All right, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, everyone, and support us with your subscriptions.